How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's video, we'll be taking a look at NKLA, NIKOLA Corporation. Pretty good day of this one, up 37 cents, 2.66% on the day. So let's go ahead and break it down. This is another Patreon requested video, so click the link in the description box down below to check out the Patreon. You get to choose what videos I make for the day. So let's go ahead and break it down here. Volume-wise was pretty normal, average volume, around almost 12 million shares, which is pretty good for a $14 company on a day-to-day basis. A lot of people are interested. A lot of people are trying to get in on it for sure. High up there at $55, obviously low of $9.37. Let's go ahead and break it down a bit more. 5-day, 15-minute chart here. So each candle is 15 minutes. High up there on 1564, low of 1378. Today was a wild one, spiked all the way up to $15.14, and then it pulled back. And right now we're sitting below VWAP. VWAP is at $14.53. And when you're below VWAP, everybody, if you don't know, you're bearish. You're in a downtrend. Even if that's a micro downtrend, I mean, you're technically still in a downtrend. And but obviously we can break through that. We had a huge spike of volume right at the close, around 780,000 shares. So not that bad. Like I said, not that bad for a $14 company. Let's go ahead and break it down a little less here. 180 days for the overall chart going. You have support that we held at the at that $13. We didn't break it today, which was good, and NIKOLA kind of has a workhorse chart vibe to it, with the low and then it spikes up. And for workhorse and NIKOLA, a trade very similar. It's kind of like NIO and XPEV. Obviously, because XPEV is 38 and then NIO is 43. They're pretty similar, just like NIKOLA and Workhorse. That's what I figured out. That's what me personally not, but anywho, guys, I'm rambling on here. Taking a look at the news now, featured in a couple articles. It said, so you actually had some, company-related news, not just articles. NIKOLA adds 51 dealership locations in 9 states, which is good. Let's see if we can find out the correct states. Looks like 7 locations in Arizona and California, 11 locations in Colorado and Mexico. Wait a second. Is that NIKOLA? Or is that... Oh, okay, so the NIKOLA dealer network includes those companies. Let's see if... I don't know. You guys can pause the video and read any of that if you want, but that's a pretty good catalyst, I would definitely say. They were really pushing the news, which is really good. NIKOLA adds 5 independent dealers for Class 8 truck sales and service. So a really good, just a good news today. I mean, you want to get these every 1 to 3 days, these strong catalysts just like this. And if you do that, this stock can easily go back to where it was. Maybe not the $93, because obviously that was a pump and dump, but maybe after the earnings on 8-3. So definitely keep that on your calendar. We could see a nice wave pattern right here, and it pushes over the $20, just like Workhorse. NIKOLA really needs to push over the $20. It hasn't seen $20 since mid-February or end of February, really. So you really need to push over that level. And if you do there, I see a nice clear shot to 25, 30, 38. I'm just reading the levels that we made on other videos. 47, 55, 72, 76, and $93.99. Can we get back up there? I think we can. Like I said, I think we can. We just need strong catalysts, good volume, and more dealership locations and killer earnings. We really need killer earnings. EV sector is hot, guys, so stay tuned on it. This is the sector to be in currently, and probably will be in for the next 5-10 years. Maybe the only sector I think can really break above EVs are going to be space related stocks. But yeah, EVs are here to stay, and they're they're not going out anytime soon. You have all the major companies going into it, and Ram, Dodge Ram trucks, Chrysler. They just announced that they'll be having, I'm pretty sure, a Ram truck in 2024, I believe. I mean, that's just late to the party. You know what I'm saying? You have NIKOLA right now with many other companies, having, cars on the road. People are buying them, right now. And you're having these, really big companies coming in late. So it's very going to be, I feel like it's going to be really interesting to see where everything goes and what company and companies last on top, and all the buyouts and mergers and everything that is bound to happen 100%. So like I said, guys, if we get good amount of volume, $20 is the key break, and you could wait to get in. Like, you could buy right at 20, or buy 1950, the pullback from 20, and then sell at 25, and just keep on trading all the way up to $93. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. Click the link in the description box down below to join the Patreon. Only $3 a month, cancel anytime, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.